Hi friends, I am recording this testimonial video for my friend and my mentor Mr. Vikas Kumrai. I am in a job and side by side I am looking for a genuine online income stream. I have wasted a lot of time and money testing various things. Then I came to know about one-to-one coaching being offered by Mr. Vikas. I get connected with him and he is the best coach. What I like about his coaching that his personal attention at every level. We had a lot of online sessions together where I learned from him about product selection, online store setup and social media pages. Even I learned from him how to post on social media, which is a very crucial thing in launching. Recently I got my first sale from a US customer. That sale came overnight, so I can say yes, I had made money while I was sleeping. So thank you Vikas for you and for your coaching. I strongly recommended all of you, if you are looking for online store or a social media agency or a affiliate marketing program, you must get connected with Vikas.